Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 32. We are on Lesson 5, Exam Practice. Activity 1. Read the email and write the missing words. Write one word on each line. So we can study this picture here. So we move on. So, hi Bill. Example. Being an explorer is the best job. So far, I've had a good experience in the Amazon. So this Amazon is a rainforest rather than a company. So when you search online, maybe you will find a website called Amazon.com. So that one is shopping website. So this Amazon here is the rainforest. I've seen amazing scenery and wildlife. Yesterday, I saw a snake, but it bit me. So this one should be didn't. D-I-D-N and then apostrophe T. But it didn't bite me. Thank goodness. I've spent 4 days in the jungle and I haven't got lost. So compass, so this is used. So past participle, we add a D here. I've used a compass to find my way because this river isn't on the map. It's time to stop for the night now. I put up my, so this is tent, so T-E-N-T. I've put up my tent and I'm making dinner. It doesn't smell delicious. I'm enjoying traveling along the river. So this one by this vehicle. So this is by boat. By boat. It's amazing to explore places where people have been before. So this is never. Where people have never been before. See you soon. I can show you all my amazing photos. So take a look at activity 2 here. So activity 2, look at the 3 pictures. So write about this story. Write 20 or more words. So you should write more than 20. So the first picture, as you can see here, is raining, and then this campfire already put up, and then you see a wild creature here, and then this lady using her digital camera to scare off the tiger. So the first sentence, so let's call this girl Michelle. So I call the name as Michelle. M-I-C-H-E-L-L-E. So you can use other names as you wish. So I just use this name here, Michelle. So Michelle loves adventures. And you can say this holiday she spent one day to set up. So set up is phrasal verb. So set up her tent in the jungle. And then unfortunately, the campfire so this is called campfire. So the campfire she built LT, so built, was put out. So this is also phrasal verb, put out by rain. So this already more than 20 words. So on the first picture. So we continue again. So night was peaceful. Until. So until a tiger came to pay a visit. And then Michelle could hear the angry tiger growling. So Michelle could hear the angry tiger growling. And then fortunately, she made a quick move. So quick. She made a quick move by using the flash. So this is a flash. The flash of her digital camera. To scare off. So this is also phrasal verb, scare off the wild creature. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook. We are on page 32. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can also watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there is a link. You can click it and then you can join my Telegram robot that I developed.